Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm in East London, and for those who do know me, welcome back. So this unit art that I'm showing you on my head is from my very own hair brand called Elise Deluxe, and I named this wig the Kelly unit. Go check it out on Instagram at Elise Deluxe. And I made this from scratch. This is a handmade unit. It's a 4x4 closure wig and the texture is water wave. And how I achieved making this wig, I used a 16, an 18 and a 20-inch bundles to create this whole wig. The thing is with my brand is that all wigs come pre-customized, meaning they come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so no work is needed at all. But yeah guys, I would really appreciate if you go give my page a follow and show me some support. But let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this bangs wig that got sent to me from Ula Hair, and this wig is non-lace. So this wig came with bangs and in a length 22 inches. So alongside of the hair, it came with some wig caps, some clips, a comb, an adjustable strap and some lashes. So inside of the cap there's 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps. So one adjustable strap which is sewed onto the actual cap and one removable. So remember me saying earlier on in the video that this wig is non-lace, so you can quickly throw this wig on and you're good to go, baby, okay? And that's period. So throughout this video, you're just going to be seeing me straightening this hair. I'm going to be achieving this sleekness with my Remington style straightener 210. And guys, I'm telling you from now, I F with this straightener on 100 for real. Like, this straightener will be leaving your hair hella sleek and soft and just bone straight. So you'll be seeing me using this a lot in my upcoming videos. For those who want to know where I got this straightener from, it was gifted from a friend, so I'm not too sure. But if you guys leave a comment in the comment section asking me where you can purchase it from, then I'll have a look around, browse around, and I will get back to you. But yeah guys, this wig install was super easy. I told you this wig is non-lace, so you don't have to glue anything down, spray anything down. You literally just put it on your head, straighten it, fix it how you want it, and you're good. A big shout out to ULA Hair for sending me this wig. I love it. It's super easy to install and very quick to style. So a big thank you to ULA Hair once again, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. And one more thing before I go guys, towards the end of this video you'll be seeing my @ for my hair business page on Instagram, and it's called @Elise Deluxe, so make sure you give my page a follow and show me some support. Thank you. Bye guys.